This shader can turn your object transparent and opaque at the same time. And this shader can add multiple rings with different colors. So if you want to understand how shader nodes work and create line art, then this video is for you. Alright, let's start with the modeling process. Add a sphere, duplicate it. Rename it as liquid, go to the edit mode, select upper vertices and delete it. Select the middle vertices and move it on z-axis. And yeah, make sure your proportional editing is on. Select the edge loop, faces and grid fill. Use this value to adjust it. Go to object mode, add a circle, extrude it and scale it in edit. Rotate it in XY until it looks satisfying. Let's make magic transparency. Add a emission shader and a transparent VSDF. Mix it with mix shader. Add a geometry node and connect back facing to the factor value. Click on this plus button and add a new material. Delete this and search for color ramp. Connect it with material output. Enable backface culling. To make an outline, go to the modifier section and add a solidify modifier. Flip the normals and set material offset to 1. Use this value to control the thickness of outline. Now you can change the color of your outline. To make the liquid, add a emission shader and a transparent VSDF. Mix it with mix shader. Connect back facing to the factor value. Add a separate XYZ node and hit Ctrl T. Connect this to object. You can press Shift Ctrl to do this. We want a top-bottom gradient, so select G. Connect it with the emission shader and add a color ramp between these two. Add a purple and a pink color. You can use this slider to adjust the gradient. To make the outline, add a solidify modifier, flip the normals and set material offset to 1. Use this value to adjust the thickness. Use this node setup to add a gradient in your outline and make sure your backface culling camera is on. To make the rings, add a vector math node and change it to length. Press Ctrl T and delete this. Connect this to object and vector to vector. Drop a color ramp between these two nodes. Change this to constant. Slide this to control the thickness of ring. Add multiple tabs to this color ramp to make the different colors of ring. Shadows and highlights. Select your liquid and in edit mode press Ctrl plus to do this type of selection. Alright, duplicate it, press P, separate by selection. Select this object and in edit mode scale it. Use this node setup to give it some texture. Use this rotation value if you want to rotate it. If you want some variation in your texture, you got this value. To make the outline, select this and in edit mode select the outer edge. Duplicate it, press P, separate by selection. In object mode, select this object, convert, curve. Go to this object data property. Under geometry, increase this depth value. Let's give it some color. If you are getting this problem, in edit mode, move it on Z-axis to adjust it. And yeah, make sure your proportional editing is on. To make the highlights, add a plane, add a emission shader and a transparent VSDF, add a image texture and connect it with the factor value. Click on new and add new image. Go to the texture paint and draw these highlights. Use this knife tool to cut it and delete the extra vertices. Stick this on the sphere to look it like highlights. Varieties. Add a circle of radius 10. In edit mode, select the alternative vertices and scale it. Press Ctrl I to invert the selection and press Ctrl B to bevel the vertices. Extrude it and fill it. Extrude it in Z-axis to give it some thickness. Let's change the color. Now the outlining color. Spread this star randomly in our liquid. Spread some sphere to look it like magical. To make the moon, add a circle, delete these vertices. Convert it to curve, add a subdivision surface modifier, give it some depth. In edit mode, scale it. Add small cubes between these two to make it this. Spread it randomly in our liquid. And that's pretty much it. If you want to support this channel, then please download this project file with the link in the description. But a thumbs up is also help me out. See ya.